It is now 1:40, and this just flew from west, heading east, and it's going into the sun, so I'm going to try really hard to use my umbrella. I'm going to use that tab too. Make sure I'm getting this. Oh, I'm going to have to go right into the sun, but this is heading right over my house. And heading east, directly east. I'm using this umbrella as a marker because I absolutely cannot see. If you look far to the east, see if I can get that. I'm going to zoom in. You can see where two lines cross over. I can't even see my fence that's in front of me. There's the tab. I'll be editing this. And there you can see how that's spreading out. This one's pretty faint. It's 1:45 in the afternoon, but you can see another plane heading from the south. It almost looks like it's going straight up in the air. Obviously they're not, but it looks like a rocket launching. But you can see another plane heading north. And above is the residue from the last plane that went from west to east. And there's the new plane going up. I mean, we have the worst pollution. The air pollution is terrible here. It's so damaging to your health. And this is happening all day long. It cannot be good for our health. And somebody needs to be called to task. We need to know what this is. I'm not sure this is coming through the perspective on the camera, but that really looks like it's going straight up in the air. It's remarkable. I hope I'm getting that. Well, I was heading inside and looked up and saw that I was missing another new plane. This one's heading from north to south. Again, I'm using this umbrella so I can try and make sure I'm filming it because I can't see. But so that's 3 planes I've just videotaped. And that's heading west. Or I should say southwest. You can see where that crossed over with the first plane that I just recorded that was heading from west to east. So that's 3 planes working at the same time. As I mentioned before, I have counted up to 4 actually working simultaneously. So that's 3 right now, just in this little time frame. And if I seem a little breathless, it's because I'm just shocked. And that's the 4th plane. I really can't see now. Up in the air. Can't even see my umbrella. There we go. So it's right up in there. That's how high that is. By the way, I've come out when there's a good moon. This happens at night too, while we're sleeping. This is the Salt Lake Valley Haze Cam at 2 p.m. February 2nd, 2013. And as you can see, there's the line left by the plane I just recorded, going from north to south. And look how much the haze has increased. And notice too that the haze is very similar to what's being laid up here in the sky. I haven't seen a real cloud today. I've seen these stripes spread out into this haze. So this is at 2 p.m. And they're taking these pictures more often this afternoon. This is, again, the Salt Lake Valley Haze Cam at 2:30 p.m. And you can see how just the sky is practically white now. So I'm just doing this to keep a record. I'm not a videographer. I'm hoping this will help us have something to address.